Si Nadine Lustre, ito ba yung gusto natin maging para sa mga kababaihan ngayon? Si Nadine Lustre, siya nga ba ang perfect peg ng mga Filipina ngayon, lalo na yung mga kabataan? Lalo na sa topic ng modern Filipina. Ito ba yung gusto natin maging para sa mga kababaihan sa panahon ngayon? Kayo po ang magde-decide niyan. But allow me to share a couple of things. Particularly, pagdating sa aspeto ng mental health. Isa siya sa mga advocate ng bagay na yan dahil kinuwento niya po, nung nagsisimula pa lamang siya sa showbiz, she tried to please everybody, is very unapologetic about who she is. Nakikita natin kapag lumalabas siya sa television or even in social media, you get to see her fashion, you get to see her personal expressions. Again, kasama na dyan yung hindi pagsusuot ng bra. Kasama na rin dyan yung appreciating her true color. Ang isa pa na very notable, si Nadine Lustre ay mayroong progressive mindset. As a Filipina, ideally, you are mahinhin, cultured, well-mannered, and always follow yung society. With Nadine Lustre, she is still showing that she is cultured and mannered, and at the same time, she also understands that a lot of people, not just women, are progressing. Our perspective, our situations in lives, they are all shifting, changing for the better. And she doesn't allow herself to be isolated. She welcomes them and she talks about them. She's an advocate of LGBTQ++. She's also an environmentalist in terms of her views, yung kanyang perspective pagdating sa politika, she's very open about it as well. And allow me to specify this expression from Nadine Lustre. She said na yung love team, being part of a love team, is restricting you from growing. She had her chance and she had her experience with the ex-boyfriend James Reid, but she no longer wants to be caged, to be boxed, to be dependent on a man as part of the love team para lang masabi na siya ay magaling at sikat na artista. I don't know with you, Breelers, but every time I see Nadine Lustre in public, through social media, on television, all I'm seeing is a modern Filipina.